It's not really a matter of should we or when should we, it's why haven't we?
That is the question that Ariel Murphy hopes Congress will answer by passing the Parental Bill of Rights to protect children who go to federally funded child care centers. 6 years ago, her infant son Kairo was hurt by a McKinney daycare center worker, and that same woman was convicted of hurting 8 other children in her care. Our Marvin Hurst speaking with the mother and son behind the Kairo Act tonight.
To understand Kairo Grant's future,
Hi, how are you?
you have to delve into his past.
Like if I close my eyes, I could tell you everything that happened like every day in sequential order.
Ariel Murphy was ending maternity leave. Her baby boy attended the joyous Montessori in McKinney for about 2 weeks in 2018. It was regular diaper duty on one November evening that raised more than eyebrows.
And I pulled his left leg out first, and I noticed a bruise right above the sock line that went all the way to his knee.
Her calls to the school eventually turned into a criminal investigation.
I called his dad and I called my mom, and I'm like, I have to go get him. After McKinney PD, they're like, hey, we need you to come down and see something. And I'm like, they need me to come?
Trust became betrayal and shock as Murphy watched videos from inside the daycare that McKinney police found.
To experience having to watch your child be abused in that way, like, I wouldn't wish it on her.
Police arrested Jessica Joy Weiss. She was a daycare worker who had lost her nursing license for painkiller use. That's according to a state board.
The video footage that we were able to prove was across 4 different days, and there were 8 videos of just Kairo. So just in general, it's hours worth of footage over several days with her and all the children.
Kairo was the youngest victim with broken ribs, femur, and injuries that could last a lifetime. This is a picture of him in the aftermath in his mother's arms at the doctor's office.
You know, you kind of walking on thin ice. You got to watch for learning and development. You know, he was shaking a lot upside down by his ankles by this woman.
6 years later, Kairo is in kindergarten. He cannot get enough of playing video games and his favorite movie, Way of the Water.
What's the best part of Avatar?
They know how to fight.
His mother's a fighter, too. There's a state law that went into effect in September 2023. It gives parents a Bill of Rights at licensed child centers in Texas. Murphy worked on it with Senator Angela Paxton. It's called the Kairo and the Kids Law. Before Weiss's arrest, Murphy says the daycare center where the crime occurred would not provide her anything, no documents or video. That's now against the law.
I tried to get the other moms on board as well. And I'm like, it's so important, whether you help or not, it's getting done. That was my angle on it.
Now there's a federal effort with Congressman Pat Fallon. It's called the Kairo Act. It was filed this week and will likely get presented on the floor in April. The primary outcome, if passed, would give parents nationwide the right to get video and documents from daycare centers to ensure their child is safe. It's similar to the Texas law. In a statement to CBS News Texas, the congressman said, quote, the potential impact of the Kairo Act is huge. Not only will parents be able to get accurate and timely answers about what may have happened to their child, but it will also deter future abuse of children at daycare centers, end quote.
It's important, right?
Yes.
Why is it important?
Kairo's first name means to bring victory.
To help other people.
His middle name, Nasir, just so happens to mean helper. Even so, there are some battles with scars so deep, some warriors can't seem to shake them off.
The struggles and the pressures and the worries of a mom going back to work anyway after a C-section, and this is why we have that anxiety. This is why they don't want to go back. This is why they end up losing jobs.
Marvin Hurst, CBS News, Texas.